That hardship will make you, recreate you. Today is day 9 of my 100 days of consistency. Here's the exact quote you need to hear today. Our quote of the day is, hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Parang tong photography journey ko. Currently, nakapost ako. Kasi nahihirapan ako. Pero I know for sure na yung mga bagay na nahihirapan akong intindihin, gawin at i-execute sa ngayon, ayun yung magdadala sa akin somewhere in the future. Minsan talaga may mga bagay na nandyan para pahirapan tayo, hindi dahil para sukuan natin, kundi para mag-try for more effort at paniniwala na kaya mo yun. Kasi that hardship will make you, recreate you, and make you stronger. Para kaya mo na yung next na challenges na paparating after that, in order to prepare you to the better version of you. That's all for today. See you again tomorrow. Bye!